Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm reviewing this 8-inch chef knife from Zennish. Now, this Japanese steel knife is unique because it's a Damascus knife, which is known for its very distinct wavy pattern, which you can see down here on the bottom, and has a reputation for being very, very sharp, along with being strong and reliable. Now, this wavy pattern that you're looking at, again, don't confuse it with the dimples up here. We'll talk about those in a second. But the wavy pattern actually is the amount of folds, which really adds on to the sturdiness of the knife. So the dimples here that we're looking at are actually meant to minimize suction and stop foods that are quite moist, like meat, fruits, from actually sticking to the knife. So I want to show an example here of actually using this knife and showing me easily slicing through a tomato, which you can see now that these slices, every single one of them just falls to the side, right? Rather than sticking to the blade itself. Now, of course, we can use it also here on an avocado, and you can see it easily slices through the shell. Now, once of course I make the entire sandwich itself, even cutting through the sandwich, I'm going to do it on a non-flat surface just to kind of show you as well. It cuts quickly and easily through the bread, through the meats, through the tomatoes again, all the way down to the bottom. So something that I really like about this knife is, of course, the actual durability, but something else is the handle. Now, this handle is very ergonomic. It just really feels very comfortable in your hand. It fits very well there. And then also the weight. It's very well balanced here. You can see where I'm just holding it in the very middle, with the finger. It's just a very well balanced knife. Again, it feels very comfortable in the hand. So especially when you're cooking, that's something that I think is very important, especially if you're cutting a lot or cutting through meats, which sometimes are a little bit harder, making sure that you have a good, comfortable knife, but also, of course, a very sharp knife, which you can definitely get with a Damascus steel knife, and especially this Zennish one here. So as you can tell, I'm very satisfied with this knife. There's a lot of things that I really like about it. Definitely looking forward to adding it to my knife collection here in the kitchen and using it more and more. So if you're looking for a sharp knife that's going to last you for a long time, really hold up to the test of time, then I'm definitely going to recommend this knife for your kitchen.